N8N local install. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top left and click Self-Host N8N. To begin installation, you'll need Docker. Follow the Docker installation guide from their official site. Copy and run the provided install command inside your command prompt. Wait until the installation is fully completed. After it finishes, you can start opening and accessing by following the link provided. Click it, and you'll land on the setup page. Fill in your email, first name, last name, and create a password. Check the confirmation box and click Next to proceed. Next, you can begin customizing your N8N instance. And after that, you will be given a license key. Type in your active email and click Send me a free license key. Check your email inbox and click Activate license key. Once activated, your N8N is ready to use. You'll also see confirmation directly in your command prompt. You can now access and manage your N8N from Docker Desktop.